Hey, what's up, you happy people? This is Steve, your Captain Chef. Welcome to my kitchen. Today, I'm going to show you a recipe how to make a smoked salmon. Mindful cooking, healthy eating. Without further ado, let's get started. We need 2 cups brown sugar, 6 tablespoons sea salt, and 3 tablespoons black pepper. Add the mixture on bottom of the pan. Put the salmon in the pan. Cover the fish with the rest of the sugar and salt mixture. Marinate the fish for about 3 hours. Now add some weight on the fish and leave the pan overnight in the fridge. Next day, the fish should be readily cured. Thoroughly rinse the fish with tap water. Dry the fish with paper towel. Measure 20 grams rice and 20 grams sugar and 2 bags of tea. Mix them well and evenly spread on the aluminum foil. Put the aluminum foil in the wok. Add a rack in the wok and put the fish on the rack. Now heat up the wok and put lid on. When you see smoke coming out, start your timer. Continue to cook a minute and a half and then turn off the heat. Wait for another 3 minutes and the smoking is done. This is the smoked salmon I'm talking about. It's easy to make. I hope you can try it at home. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel so you won't miss any of my future posting. Thanks for watching. Until next time, you take care.